Hi everyone. Today let us discuss about the functions of hypothalamus. Let us assume this car as an hypothalamus. So anteriorly there is radiator which is meant for cooling. So as it is meant for cooling, it also stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. Posteriorly there is exhaustor which is meant for heating, and this posterior nuclei of the hypothalamus also stimulates the sympathetic nervous system. Let us take this as an fuel cap which is laterally placed, which has a feeding center, the hunger center. The hormone ghrelin, which is meant for the weight gain, G for gene, and that stimulates the lateral hypothalamus, and leptin, which is meant for the weight loss, L for L, that inhibits the lateral hypothalamus. And here is the fuel tank, the Satiety center, which is ventromedially placed. Here it is medially placed, which is stimulated by the hormone leptin. Suprachiasmatic nucleus, which is over the optic chiasm. This suprachiasmatic nucleus is responsible for the circadian rhythm along with the pineal gland. Supraoptic nuclei, which secretes the antidiuretic hormone and some amount of oxytocin. Preoptic nuclei, which secretes the gonadotropin releasing hormone, and also it is responsible for the sexual behavior. Parrot playing over the cot. The paraventricular nuclei, it secretes thyrotropin releasing hormone, oxytocin, thyrotropin releasing hormone, and some amount of antidiuretic hormone. And this is an arc. Remember the arcuate nuclei, which secretes the dopamine and some releasing hormones, especially the gonadotropin releasing hormones. Thank you for watching the video.